God's mercy and God's justice make sense of our moral universe. This is a critical reality for who God is, why he is involved, why the eternal mercy and the eternal justice of God is so important, because in the end, it makes sense of a very complicated and sometimes very painful moral universe. Every one of us is a moral creature. It is an inescapable reality of the human creation, of the human condition, of our hearts, our minds, our relationships. Every one of us is a moral creature, but we are fallen moral creatures. We are broken and imperfect moral creatures. We are in many ways very self-absorbed moral creatures, which means we tend to think that our moral system replaces God's moral system, and that we then get to decide who is moral and who is immoral, who is judged, who is not judged, and what all of that looks like. It is absolutely inevitable in the human heart. And we're going to expand on it a little bit further in this passage of Scripture this morning. So, God's mercy and God's justice make sense of our moral universe.